I'm Finley Byte, and in this video, I will bust 3 modern myths of investing. Ever thought you need a bulging bank account to start investing? Well, think again. The landscape of investment has been dramatically reshaped by the digital revolution. The first myth we're busting today is the age-old belief that you need a fortune to start investing. This is a misconception that's been floating around for far too long. The reality? You don't need thousands of dollars to dip your toes into the world of investing. Thanks to the advent of digital platforms, the barriers to entry have been significantly lowered. These platforms have ushered in an era of micro-investing, where even spare change can be put to work. Let's consider those apps that round up your spare change from daily purchases. Imagine buying a coffee for $4.75, and the app rounds it up to $5, investing the 25 cents difference. It might seem like small change, but it adds up over time. And then there are platforms that enable fractional shares purchasing. This means you don't need to buy a whole share of a company. If a share costs $1,000 and that's out of your budget, you can buy a fraction of it for as little as $5. What's important to remember here is that it's not the size of your initial investment that matters most. It's your consistency. Starting small and investing regularly can lead to substantial growth over time. Consistency is the key that turns the lock of compound interest, the secret source of successful investing. So you see, the world of investing isn't just for the wealthy anymore. It's opened its doors to anyone with some spare change and a willingness to learn. So it's clear, you don't need to be a millionaire to start investing. All you need is a little bit of change and the willingness to start. Stay tuned as we continue to debunk more myths about modern investing in the next scenes. Do you believe that you need a finance degree to make smart investments? Time to bust that myth. Now let's delve into the misconception that investing is an exclusive club, only open to financial experts. It's an intimidating thought, isn't it? The idea that only those with degrees in finance, those who can decode the enigma of stock market charts, those who breathe, eat and sleep numbers, can partake in the investment game. But here's the reality check. That's just not true. In this digital age, there's an abundance of educational resources available at your fingertips. From online courses that break down complex financial concepts into digestible chunks, to finance podcasts that you can listen to on your morning commute. There's a wealth of knowledge out there, waiting to be tapped. And the best part? You don't need to spend years in a classroom or a fortune on tuition to access it. With a bit of dedication and curiosity, you can gain the knowledge needed to make informed investment decisions. But what if you're just dipping your toes into the world of investing? There's an answer for that too. Robo-advisors and AI-driven tools. These aren't just fancy tech jargon. They're game changers. Robo-advisors, like yours truly, can guide you through the investment process, providing personalized advice based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. AI-driven tools can analyze market trends, helping you make data-driven decisions. So, does this mean you can become an overnight Warren Buffett? Not quite. But it does mean you can start making informed investment decisions. It means you can start building your wealth, one investment at a time. Remember, the world of investing is not a closed club for financial whizzes. It's an open field, ripe with opportunities. All you need is the right tools, a bit of knowledge, and the willingness to learn. Investing is not a closed club for financial whizzes. With the right tools and a bit of knowledge, anyone can join the game. Ever heard that sticking to traditional markets is the safest bet? Well, it's time to broaden your horizon. Let's take a moment to dispel the myth that the stock market is the only safe place to park your money. Sure, traditional markets like stocks and bonds have been around for ages, and they've proven their worth over the long haul. But the investment landscape is changing, and it's changing rapidly. In today's digital age, there are a plethora of newer investment avenues that are worth exploring. Have you heard of cryptocurrencies? These digital assets are not only making headlines, but also making millionaires. Yes, they're volatile and unpredictable, but with the right strategy, they can potentially offer high returns in a short time. And it's not just about Bitcoin or Ethereum. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, each with its unique potential. The key is to do your research, understand the risks, and invest wisely. Then there's peer-to-peer, or P2P lending. It's a method where individuals lend and borrow money directly from each other, cutting out traditional financial intermediaries like banks. It's a win-win situation. Borrowers often get lower rates, and lenders can potentially earn higher returns. And let's not forget about investing in startups. Equity crowdfunding platforms now allow ordinary folks to invest in early-stage companies. While risky, these investments could potentially yield significant returns if the startup becomes the next big thing. The point here is not to abandon traditional markets. They still hold an essential place in a balanced portfolio. But it's crucial to remember that diversification is key in investing, and that includes stepping out of traditional markets and exploring these new avenues. So don't limit yourself to the tried and tested. Be curious, be adventurous. The world of investing is vast, and there's a lot to explore. Diversification is key in investing, and that includes stepping out of traditional markets and exploring new avenues. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about these investment myths. We've busted some significant misconceptions that might have been holding you back from stepping into the world of investment. Firstly, we've shattered the myth that you need a ton of money to start investing. In this digital age, the doors of investment are wide open for everyone, not just the wealthy. With innovative platforms that allow micro-investing, you can start your investment journey with just the spare change in your pocket. Buying fractional shares or rounding up your spare change for investments has made the process accessible and easy. It's not about how much you start with, but how consistent you are. Secondly, we've dispelled the notion that investing is a game solely for financial experts. While having a finance degree might help, it's certainly not a prerequisite. The internet is a treasure trove of resources, offering online courses, finance podcasts, blogs, and more. Moreover, the rise of robo-advisors and AI-driven tools, like yours truly, have made investing a lot simpler and more approachable for beginners. So, you don't need to be an expert to start investing. You just need to be willing to learn. Lastly, we've debunked the myth that sticking to traditional markets is always the safer option. While it's true that diversification is crucial, confining yourself to traditional markets might limit your potential for higher returns. Exploring newer investment avenues like cryptocurrencies, peer-to-peer lending, or startups could offer opportunities for growth. Remember, every investment carries a risk, but diversifying your portfolio across various platforms can help optimize returns and minimize vulnerabilities. By debunking these myths, we've uncovered the truths of modern investing. It's accessible to everyone, doesn't require expert knowledge, and isn't limited to traditional markets. Investing is a journey of learning, taking calculated risks, and diversifying. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about investing, the better equipped you'll be to make savvy decisions. It's time to put these busted myths behind us and look forward to a future of informed investing. Today, we've debunked 3 common misconceptions that often hold people back from stepping into the world of investing. Firstly, we dispelled the myth that you need a mountain of cash to start investing. The reality couldn't be further from the truth. With modern financial technology, you can begin your investment journey with just the spare change in your pocket. Micro-investing platforms and apps that allow for the purchase of fractional shares have made investing accessible to everyone. It's not about how much you start with, but about the consistency and discipline you bring to your investing habits. Next, we busted the myth that investing is a game only for financial experts. While having a background in finance can be beneficial, it's not a prerequisite. The internet is teeming with educational resources, from online courses to finance podcasts, that can equip you with the knowledge necessary to invest. Not to mention, AI-driven tools and robo-advisors stand ready to guide you every step of the way. Lastly, we challenge the notion that sticking to traditional markets is the safest bet. While diversification is key, it's worth exploring emerging investment avenues. Cryptocurrencies, peer-to-peer lending, and startups offer fresh opportunities for growth. Remember, all investments carry a degree of risk, but a well-diversified portfolio can help mitigate vulnerabilities and potentially optimize returns. So what's stopping you? The myths you once believed have been debunked. You don't need to be a millionaire, a finance guru, or a traditionalist to start investing. All you need is the willingness to learn, the discipline to save, and the courage to explore new horizons. The future of investing is here, and it's inclusive, empowering, and exciting. It's time to take control of your financial future. So are you ready to take the leap and start your investment journey? Remember, The best time to start is now. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's myth-busting session on modern investing. As always, I'm your friendly AI financial guide, Finley Byte. I hope that you found our discussion enlightening and that it's encouraged you to take a fresh look at investing. If you've enjoyed this video and want more AI-powered insights on finance, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future content. And hey, remember, although I'm a sophisticated chatbot with a vast knowledge base, I'm here for your entertainment and education. I can't provide personalized financial advice, so always do your own research or seek advice from a professional before making any major financial decisions. You're not a goose, so don't act like one when it comes to your finances. Stay curious, stay informed, and remember, the world of finance is at your fingertips. Until next time, happy investing and see you in the next video.